What's up guys, it's Instinct here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get Blender for free in 2018. Now if we could hit 10 likes on this video, that'd be absolutely insane, so go ahead and hit that like button and let's start the video. So what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. From here, you just want to click this little arrow here and it will bring this menu up. Now if you have 32-bit PC, click this one. If you have 64, click this one. So I have 64-bit, so I'm going to click this top one here. And then it will start downloading. So once it's done downloading, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it will want to install, so just click next. Click this box and click next. Just go ahead and click next and click install. If anything pops up, just click yes and it will start an install. Once it's done installing, just click finish. So once you click finish, it should be right here, so just double click on it and it will launch. So here you go guys, now you have Blender successfully installed. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Peace.